Hi, in this video we will see how to use advanced custom fields with display post types. For this example, I have created two sample custom fields. One is simple text field and another one is a URL field to hold an image URL. So these are two examples that we will see on how to use them with display post types. So let's go to any post and add these custom field values. So for this post I have added a sample text and an image URL in the respective custom fields. Now we can go to display post types. There are many methods to show display post types. Now for this example I will be using shortcodes. Let's display posts. For simplicity, let's only use 3 posts for this example. Now we can see that there are meta info 1, we can display them, and then meta info 2, we can display it also. So for meta info 1, right now we have author and date displayed here, and for 2 it is categories are displayed here. So now we can simply remove this and add custom field slug in the square brackets, and we can see that this custom field is now available here. For these two we have not set the values, so these are not displayed, but for this it is available. Now we can move it anywhere in this sequence. So let's say if I want to move it above the title, so I can simply just move it above the title. I can move it above the thumbnail as well. So for this I can move the title above it. So this is also possible. So pretty much anything is possible with this. Now this is the first example of showing how to show this custom field, text custom field here. Now if let's say I want to show image custom field, so this will show the image URL here, but obviously we don't want to show the URL in this place. We want to show some actual image or some custom HTML here. So to add HTML we need to add some custom PHP code in this. So let's first save this, and let's also remove these thumbnails for now, so we can clearly see when the image is being displayed. So we can update it. Now to add some PHP code, I am using Code Snippets plugin. That is the safest way to add custom codes. So now let's add a custom code. Now for this we will create a shortcode. Creating shortcode is very simple. We can simply use add shortcode method, and we will give it a name like show awesome image. Then we can add a function. This is our callback function. If we will first get the image. For custom fields we have this function get field function to get the custom fields. This is an advanced feature, so if you are a developer, so this will be a very handy tool for you to add almost any type of template to the custom post types. So for now we will use awesome image, so the URL will be there. So if URL is available, let's display it. Image src. Let's add a class as well. Showing the image. That's it. Right now we are showing an image here, but you can pretty much show anything, any template, any HTML here, and this will display with the custom post types. So for now we will just save it and activate it everywhere. So let's just save it, and this is our shortcode. Just go to display post types. So there we have added this meta info. We just need to replace this custom field name with the shortcode name. So now this shortcode will be executed and its HTML will be displayed here. So this image is now available here. So now we can add pretty much anything in this. That's it. That's how we will display either custom image or text or pretty much anything you want. You can display it. You can simply remove it, remove this title and remove everything, remove meta info as well, and just use this shortcode to display, to create your own complete new design, and this will be displayed here. Thank you.